I have prepared a good test for you. Try to solve it. Traffic test about turning left. Who should yield to whom? Who should let whom pass when turning left in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The truck driver lets the red car pass. 2. The driver of the red car lets the truck pass. 3. By agreement between the drivers. Problem analysis. At an intersection, the drivers of a red car and a truck turn left. Since their paths will inevitably cross, someone must give way. In front of the drivers are signs that say "Give way," "Going right or left," and "End of one-way road." This means that they are both exiting from secondary one-way road onto a highway where two-way traffic is organized. However, they're not prohibited from turning left. In addition, the road markings also show the permitted directions of travel. In order to find out which of the drivers has the advantage, we read the paragraph of the traffic rules. If the trajectories of vehicles intersect and the order of passage is not conditioned by these rules, the driver to whom the vehicle is approaching from the right side must give way. Hence, the driver of the red car must give way as the truck is on his right. Correct answer number 2.